Hi everyone, I'm Jon Sharp, President of the Hardenbergh Insurance Group, coming to you today from the HIG Academy, where we want to talk about personal flood insurance. When you hear me talk about personal flood insurance, you may think to yourself, I'm not in a high-risk area. Well, that doesn't mean you don't need the coverage. Did you know that according to FEMA, 30% of claims come from moderate or low-risk flood areas? What that means to you is, even if you're not in a high-risk area, you may want to consider flood insurance for your personal home. There are two places you can go to get personal flood insurance on your home. The first is the National Flood Insurance Program, or the NFIP. The second is the private market. Let's compare and contrast the two options. For the NFIP, there's a 30-day waiting period from when you place the bind order. So if you're looking at the Weather Channel right now and you see a storm's brewing, now is not the time to buy. The program will not take you if you try and bind today. They will make you wait 30 days. This, of course, is unless you're settling a brand new program and you need it for your mortgage, then they won't have that waiting period. Second, the National Flood Insurance Program is only going to cover you up to $250,000, whereas the private program will go as high as you'd like. Third, the National Flood Insurance Program does not have loss of use, where the private program does have loss of use. So, if damage occurs to your home due to a flood and your home's being repaired, while it's being repaired, the private program will pay for you to find another place to live. Whereas the National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP, does not have that coverage. Both coverage will include contents, but typically the private program, you can take contents higher, or the limits higher, than what typically you can get in NFIP. As you can see, there are several differences between NFIP and the private marketplace. If you haven't already had a discussion with your risk manager about the different options that are available to you, we'd love to have that conversation with you. Give us a call. Again, I'm Jon Sharp, President of Hardenbergh Insurance Group, coming to you from the HIG Academy, talking to you about personal flood insurance.